Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I know I've done a couple of videos like this, but this one's going to be a little bit different. Somebody asked a question on Facebook how they can get their drawing lines to a hairline and be a default. Well, it's very easy. With nothing selected, go down to your pen tool right here. It's going to come up with graphic. You can change a bunch of stuff, but we're going to go with graphic. Press OK. Red hairline, and I would suggest checking scale with object. It doesn't really matter with a hairline because the hairline is going to stay a hairline no matter what size you make it. Then after you do that, I would always go to tool and save as default. But that will pertain to all your graphics. So let's just change something now with nothing selected. I'm going to double click graphic. I'm going to make it black this time. And now, anytime I draw a graphic, which can be a line, a box, an ellipse, or anything, it's going to be that black. So I'm going to change mine back because I like red hairline. And if you're not familiar with scale with object, I thought I'd go over that real quick. Let's draw a line. Well, let's draw a rectangle. I've done a couple of videos on this, but this is pretty important. And it actually went to black because I didn't save it as default. We'll keep it black. That's okay. But I'm going to make it 16 points and not scale it to object. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate of that. I'm going to make it, mine is set so high decimal, and then I'm going to scale this one to object. Now here's the key with scaling to object or not scaling to object. Let's say we make this box, this is 2. Let's make it with our ratio locked. I'm going to change this to 1. With this one locked, I'm going to change it to 1. Look at the difference in the line. It scaled it to the object. This is still a 16 point, but now it's so thick because it's small. So no matter how you do this one, it's going to scale. And if you do this one, it's not going to scale. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.